Hello everyone, my name is Azad and you are watching Job Express. In Job Express, we bring different type of job informations, Canada jobs, US job, UK jobs, Europe jobs, all kind of job information in one place, in under one roof. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and if you like any of our videos, share it with your friend and family. Okay, so we are going to move on our next level, and in this video I'm going to discuss about global talent stream. Under this stream you can get a visa of Canada in 10 days. Yes, in 10 days you can get a visa of Canada. This is not a fake, this is not a joke. I am talking about serious job, serious stream that is Canada is accepting right now, Canada is providing you right now. Under this you can get a visa in 10 days if you have a desired qualification and experience. So what are the in details? Just be with this video. I am going to explain each and everything one by one and in details. Okay, so basically this is basically in this category there is a two type of category. This is this category this process is called global talent stream. Under global talent stream there is two category, category A and category B. We are going to discuss right now category A. Okay, so under category A, the process is that if you have a desired qualification, if you have a qualification or experience, and if the designated partners, if the employer in Canada can convince with you and he decided to hire you, then he can hire you, and they can help you in this way. Basically what is the general rule for this category A? If anyone in Canada, if any employer in Canada can give you a job, and if your salary is above 80,000 plus, remember that 80,000 plus in Canadian dollar in annually, then you can apply for this category in global talent stream. Okay, so this is the main general rule. And what is the requirement for category A? So I'm going to tell you that the main requirement for category A is you must have 5+ experience in a same field in where you are going to, in which field you are going to apply. Okay, and when you have this kind of qualification and requirement, then the employer can hire you. And basically what the employer can do, employer can convince the employer have to convince the Canada government that they are hiring you because you have some qualities that is beneficial for Canada and its economy. When the employer can convince the government, this is a normal task every employer can do when they are decided to hire you. When the employer can convince the government and government is ready to hire you, then the government will ask the employer to apply for the LMIA. LMIA is a labor LMI is a process or a paper for which any employer can hire an immigrant. Okay, so basically when the government allow the employer to issue LMI for you, so then the employer can apply LMI for you, and after that he will hire you. This is a tough process because this kind of salary no employer is ready to give to anyone. So basically this category is not so widely and not so in practice, but the category B is very famous and it's very widely used. If you fall in this category, then you must apply in this category because this is a golden chance for you to get Canada visa in 10 days. Yes, basically what happened, I'm just making a glimpse of about what is the market of Canada and what is the market job of Canada. Basically what happened, GTS global talent stream is a good and easy way to move to Canada. Okay, you just keep it in mind that lots of immigrants enter Canada under this stream because Canada is a IT hub and IT demand in Canada is so high in these days. So they required IT engineers and IT related guys and experts in their category. That is why category B is very famous in global talent stream. What is category B and what are the requirements, I'm going to discuss it later. But before, I'm giving you an overview about what is this about. The thing is that what is the real process for Canada job is that when any employer want to hire any immigrants from outside India, outside Canada, they will have to advertise in the local newspaper that they have such kind of requirements in their office and their works. When they can't find anyone in their localities or in their state or in their country, then they can hire immigrants from outside the Canada. This is the general rule. But under this stream, the government of Canada allow the employer to direct hire the immigrants from outside the Canada without making any advertisement to any newspaper. This is the big relief for the employer also, and for the immigrants who want to move Canada and settle their life. So this is the basically process, and in this process the Canada employer can hire you and give you visa in 10 days. Okay, and you will get 50 points for LMIA, and this 50 point can you will add it in your CRS point when you apply for your work permit. So this is a very good option for you. And I'm just going to tell you one more thing, that you will require IELTS here also, because according to your qualification and according to your experience you will need IELTS in this stream. So there is no exemption of IELTS in this stream, so keep in mind that. And employer will bear all your LMI fees and all your expenses while hiring you. This is the headache of employer, not your only your headache is to find jobs and convince the employer for any such kind of jobs that I am going to mention in later. So what is the category B? I'm just telling you that category B is such a category in which if you fall under this category, then you are eligible to apply in this stream. Okay, under this category there are some certain qualification, job profile or job post under which you can apply. Only those job profile are mentioned in this category are eligible to apply in this stream. Apart from that, no one can apply under this stream. Okay, so you have to find your category, you have to find your job post, job profile in this category. So if you have experience in this field, which I am going to explain you right now, and you can also find it in the description where I put the link. If you click on that link, you will go to that page where all the job profile and job post are mentioned in a single page. If you fall under that category, if your experience, if your qualification match to that profession or experience, then you can apply in this stream. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you some of the job profile right now. NOC 0213 number one job profile is NOC 0213 computer and information system managers. Okay, they can apply in this category B for global talent stream, and they can get visa in 10 days. Okay, and second job is NOC 2147 computer engineer except software engineers and designers. Okay, and NOC 2161 mathematicians and statisticians, those who are expert in mathematics and stats, they can also apply. Okay, and web designers and developers can also apply. There are long list there is a long list of job profile. You can go on that link and click and find the job profile and apply according to that. So basically this is the main criteria of applying, and what are the job profile. Okay, so what is the main requirement for category B? The main requirement is the same as it is in the category A. You have you have to be minimum 5-year experience in this field where you are going to apply. Okay, without minimum 5 years they will not accept that. So in the last we will discuss about the process. What is the process, how will get the visa, and what is the concept of getting the visa, and how this process work. So I'm just going to tell you that in the first week an employer will hire you. In hiring process it will take 1 week, not 1 week, less than 1 week, but I'm just taking that 1 week. Okay, in the second stage your employer will apply for the LMIA application, and it will take 2 weeks. Okay, so and in the third process, in the third steps, your work permit application will be applied, and it will take also 2 weeks. And in the fourth stage you will move to the office in Canada in 1 or 2 weeks. So basically this is the process. This process works under this stream. And I'm just telling you in the last one more thing, that don't waste your time if you fall under this category, under this job profile, because if your category or profile match in this category, then trying finding jobs according to your niche, find it in LinkedIn, find it in Indeed, and go to the company direct websites and apply there. Find the jobs, don't waste your time. And if you if you find a job that's convinced the employer that you want a job in Canada, and if the employer is convinced, then all the work has been done. You don't have to pay heavy money to go to Canada. You just go in in an easy way and with less money. All the expenses were bear by the employers. So this is a good news for those who are belong to the IT, and they will get the visa in 10 days. This is a good chance for them, don't lose it. Okay, so our video came to here end. This is if you are coming to this channel first time, don't forget to share it and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question or doubt, put it in the comment box below. Thank you.